Yeah, we have a lot of partners that leverage the service in a similar fashion where potentially we work with an internal IT staff or an IT liaison internally, and then we manage their IT infrastructure. And that tends to work really well for us. Some things that come to mind there specifically is making sure that we know our lanes. So we did have some challenges early on, but that seems to have ironed itself out now that we're working primarily with you, and I'm glad that's working out. How has your interaction been with our account management team at GroupOne?
Great. And they usually will ping me or they will ping Emily Hawes, who is my right hand, my director of HR.
Yeah.
It's seamless. And the one thing that I really appreciate is that from the fact with a little icon that we have down on the bottom on the tray, and you basically click on that, you bring that up, you say, I have an issue, boom, boom, boom. It sends all my information, sends it off. And to know that it's been acknowledged, I get an email back.
Yeah, that's great.
And anytime there's a phone call that comes in and they can't get a hold of me, there's always a follow-up email for me to basically ask them the same questions, and then we respond from that piece of it. So
we're actually going to be implementing a calendaring solution that ties into our help desk software. So then we can align our calendars a little bit better so we're not having to miss phone calls and such. So that'll be something new coming down the pipe.